charge is around 1000 for me for my C-section delivery. Guys, what's up? This is me Chandana and you're watching Roshan and Chandana Lifestyle. If you are expecting mother and you are worried about expense of hospitalization, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share in details what are the charges of hospitalization in good rated hospital like Cloud9, Nutia, Apollo, etc. So I'm going to share overall all the expenses in detail. Today I'm going to share my experience in Nutia Gatewell Siliguri. In this video I'm going to share what are the exact expenses for C-section delivery. And so be there till the end. In video I'm going to share everything with screenshot. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to cover C-section cost, the bed type which Nutia Gatewell Hospital has provided, services which hospital has provided, the insurances applicable in the hospital or not. So अब मैं जो ये डिटेल्स में जो बता रही हूँ which it will be applicable to other hospital also, but ये मैं specifically Nutia Gatewell Hospital सिलीगुड़ी के बारे में बता रही हूँ because we have stayed there for 4 days. तो मैं इस हॉस्पिटल में स्टे की थी तो I can say what was my experience with Nutia Gatewell Hospital. So जो भी ब्लड टेस्ट जो भी स्कैन्स हमें डॉक्टर ने सजेस्ट किया था वो रेडिली अवेलेबल था सारे हॉस्पिटल के इनसाइड में. आपको कहीं भी बाहर निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है कोई भी टेस्ट के लिए, कोई अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए या फिर ब्लड अवेलेबिलिटी के लिए. सारा चीज इन हॉस्पिटल अवेलेबल है. दैट इज द प्लस पॉइंट. And food, both non-veg and veg was available both for the patient and the attendant. So there was a specially dietitian who was taking care of the food of the patient. So based on that, we are getting lunch, dinner and breakfast. So after C-section, the food was completely guided by the dietitian, which was very helpful for the patient for the recovery. On C-section, the first day they have given only liquid food, then they slowly started towards solid. So everything was taken care by the dietitian. So it was very helpful for the recovery. So overall, I will rate 5 out of 5 for the service which was provided by the Nutia Gatewell. So definitely it was the best services. So now coming to the bed type. There are different bed types available in the Nutia Gatewell Hospital like general ward, twin bed sharing, single cabin and suite. In single cabin, only one patient will be allowed along with the attendant. This was the best as per me, the single cabin, because in twin cabin the attendant was not allowed. It has all the facilities like TV, full air conditioned room it was. So definitely room was very premium. So I really enjoyed my stay in single premium room. Based on the bed type, the charges was calculated at the end. If you go for general ward, the prices will be low. It will be cheaper than twin sharing. Twin sharing, there will be 2 patients in our single room, and single premium room will contain only 1 patient. So based on your preference, you can select your room. Next is baby care. So after my C-section delivery, baby was taken care properly by the nurses. There are 2 types of nurseries in this hospital. One is well-being nursery, another is NICU. So if the baby's weight is less or they have some health issues, they will be kept in an ICU. And if the baby's weight is proper and don't have any issues, then the baby will be kept in a well-being nursery. So my baby was kept in well-being nursery. So well-being nursery definitely has less charges compared to NICU. But well-being nursery also has nurses to take a good care of the baby. So after C-section you can't take care of the baby properly. So the nurses are there. They are well-trained nurses and they take care of the baby very nicely. So आपको कुछ worry करने की जरूरत नहीं है, especially after C-section, because of 2 days you can't walk properly or you can't take care of your baby. So this thing will be taken care of all by nurses. और आपको बिल्कुल भी worry होने की जरूरत नहीं कि how they will take care. They are well-trained nurses और बेबी को बहुत ही अच्छा से ख्याल रखती है. नर्सेस हमेशा नाइट में एंड मॉर्निंग में फीडिंग के लिए रूम आती है क्योंकि सेक्शन के बाद यू कांट गेट अप. सो नर्सेस हमेशा बेबी को ले आके आपके पास आती है फॉर फीडिंग, देन वो वापस नर्सरी चली जाती है. तो दैट वाज द बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ दैट हॉस्पिटल जब बेबी आती है क्रेडल में सुबह सुबह. एंड सुबह सुबह का फेस तो छोटी सी थी तब, एंड सुबह सुबह उसका फेस देखना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता था. सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट मोमेंट इन दैट हॉस्पिटल. जब वो अराउंड 7-8 को जब हम उठते भी नहीं थे, बेबी आ जाते थे फीडिंग के लिए. सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कैन रिकॉल इन दैट हॉस्पिटल. बस आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स चली जाती थी, बट that 10 minutes was really precious for us. I'm very very thankful to the nurses जो इतना अच्छा केयर हमारी भी और बेबी का भी किए हैं for that 3 days. We are really very grateful for. In details आपके साथ सारा expense शेयर कर दूंगी और मैं यहाँ पे screenshot पे attach कर दूंगी. So now I'm going to share the expense breakup. The first thing comes under in expense is the bed charges. Since I have opted for single premium room, so single premium room charge was 6,200. Since I have stayed for 4 days, so the total was around 25,000. So based on the room, you have decided charges will differ. If you go for cabin or general ward, charges will be less. So the surgery charges include the assistant charges, doctor charges, OT charges, pediatrician charges. Total surgery charges was around 60,000. For me, total medicine charge was around 8,000 and total surgical consumable was around 22,000. I will share the screenshot here. You can go through in detail. Multiple things have been added in this list. I will share everything in the screenshot. You know, it's a big list. It's a big list. Everything, whatever things have been used is mentioned. It has been added, or very small, every needle, whatever things they're provided, any gloves, everything they are added here. So now I'm going to tell the total charges. The total charge is around 1,42,000 for me for my C-section delivery. So it was my charges since I have stayed for 4 days. If you are staying for 3 days or 5 days, it may become less or more. If you stay for 3 days, definitely going to less. And for 5 days or 6 days, in case of some emergency, the charges may increase. Coming to now the nursery charges. Since my baby stayed in the Wellbeing nursery, so charges was little less for me. So the baby charges consist of nursing charges, pediatrician charges, medicine charges and some surgical consumables. So total charge was around 26,245. In this video, I have shared all the expenses of my delivery in detail. आप सारा चीज का स्क्रीनशॉट देख सकते हैं. I hope guys now आपके सारे doubts clear हो गए हैं about the expenses. Still you guys have any query, you can comment me. I will love to answer your queries. If this video is helpful for you, please do like, share and comment. Till then, take care. Bye bye.